flash of a star, carbon learned to shade. Black in the suit, soft in the wake. Under your skin, in the grain of the wood, it holds every mark like you knew it would. Pressure keeps moving,